Hello kids, welcome to Crazy Kid Show. Today we will learn about bird's name. Duck. This is duck. Goose. This is goose. Hen. This is hen. Parrot. This is parrot. Peacock. This is peacock. Owl. This is owl. Crow. This is crow. Sparrow. This is sparrow. Pigeon. This is pigeon. Swan. This is swan. Penguin. This is penguin. Woodpecker. This is woodpecker. Kingfisher. This is kingfisher. Ostrich. This is ostrich. Eagle. This is eagle. Vulture. This is vulture. Turkey. This is turkey. Flamingo. This is flamingo. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel.